What's up, guys? Today let me show you how to create this simple Facebook logo using HTML and CSS. So let me show you the code. This is project number 99 in 100 HTML CSS projects. So first things first, we are going to create our HTML structure, and we shall create a div and give it class Facebook logo. And then inside that div, we shall also give another class Facebook-F, and then put the word F, which is the logo. So then we shall write CSS. The body, we say display flex, justify center, align center, height. All this will just center the elements. And then after we style the Facebook logo class, we give it a background color of light blue, width, height, display, justify center, align items. And then we give it a border radius of a little box shadow, and then give it that. After that, we shall style the F, Facebook-F class, and just give it a font family, font size, color white, and then just font weight, bold. And after writing all this, you'll come up with something like this. Find this code in the repository that is linked below.